going in. Of course, when you go to sleep, you wake up and you have teeth, nice, pretty teeth in your mouth, and that was the best part. I did not want to have months without any teeth at all.
Going into the dentist's office makes me nervous, and making the phone call was like, it's probably a month before I actually made the phone call. Like I said, it just happened at that moment. I'm not sure if I would have made it that day, but that moment I said, I'm going to do it today, and wrote it down to do it. And then they called like literally within seconds after that. So I'm like, well, this has got to be a sign, It's been something I've been thinking about for a long time, because I've lost a lot of teeth and wearing a partial for quite a few years. I've done a lot of research, and I wasn't in a financial situation where I could afford it, but I recently retired from teaching, and now I have a second job working for an airline. So now I'm going to have the money to do it, so I've been researching which centers to go to. It was I had it narrowed down to 4, and even the thought of going to the dentist has petrified me for years. And I was just like, one day, so I had it narrowed down to 4 different people, and I kept putting off calling, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna call these 4 today. And it just so happened that I got a phone call right as I just made it from Revo. I think it was Adam called. So I called him back, and we set up an appointment, and this is the only one I actually came to. So I refused to smile on pictures or anything. My grandkids have made a comment they have no pictures of me smiling at all, because I'm very self-conscious when I talk. Actually, COVID was kind of nice because I had to wear the mask and nobody saw my teeth for all that time. I don't like to look at myself in the mirror. You don't really wear lipstick because it brings out the more attention to the teeth. It's just something I want to get done to be healthier and smile and be more relaxed about it, not thinking about it all the time. I think it'll just help, make me more relaxed and more, it'll give me a different approach. I won't be thinking about when I'm in a conversation, I won't be thinking, are they looking at my teeth? Are they thinking about it? And everyone's been really nice and friendly. I'm very skeptical of everything, so it's really hard for me to, let go of that a little bit. And just, when you've had so much unsuccessful things in the dental office and stuff like that, it's kind of a scary, like, all right, it's just, say if something sounds too good to be true, maybe it is. So that's a little where it's like, but we'll see. I'm going with it. So it'll be interesting to see how it all goes. I'm excited to see the afterwards and the, reactions to my peers and cohorts is what we call them, but cohorts, and just to see when I come back in, if that's, to me, it's like, I think that's the first thing they're going to notice. When I'm in a conversation with my peers or my superiors at work, even then I would not look them directly in the eye contact. I was worried about, the whole thing. And so that was the thing. I don't even think of, now not having to think about it is the best gift. Like I said, when people are looking at me, I don't think they're thinking about seeing my teeth. And in reality, looking back now, they weren't. It was me thinking that they were thinking about my teeth. And and even when I got them redone, there are teeth people out there who noticed them right away, because that's what, they noticed them right away. But some of the other people, they knew something was different, but my fear of them thinking it. And a few of my coworkers have just said that, you just opened up. It's like you're glowing and blossoming. They could tell I'm more relaxed about talking and things like that.